These are my juicy beef pancakes. Thin wrappers, lots of flavorful filling, and no kneading needed. The wrappers stay soft even after they cool down, which is why I make this almost every week. This is my mom's 30-year-old recipe, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. First, let's make the dough. In a bowl, add some all-purpose flour, yeast, and sugar. Pour in warm water, more than you would for regular dough. Mix everything with chopsticks until sticky dough forms. No need to knead it by hand. Cover the bowl and let it rest until large bubbles appear. Now let's make the filling. Finely chopped 1 onion and a piece of carrot. In a bowl, combine the ground beef with the chopped vegetables. Season with salt, sugar, chicken powder, and black pepper. Then add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Finally, drizzle in some oil and mix everything well. Once the dough is ready, release the air bubbles. Oil your work surface and hands to prevent sticking. Then divide the dough into small portions. Stretch each piece out. Add the filling. Wrap it up. And gently flatten it into a pancake shape. Add a little oil to a pan and cook the pancakes over medium-low heat until both sides are golden brown. Time to enjoy. Be careful, the filling is super juicy when you take a bite. So good, so delicious. Give it a try and see you next time. Bye.